Good afternoon, Teacher Shiva. I'll be cooking lumpia, and here are the ingredients. Sayote, potato, carrot, lumpia wrapper and oil, garlic, onion, and ground beef. First, take the ground beef, onion, garlic. Meat turns brown. Cook potato. Let it stay for 5 minutes. Next, let's roll up the lumpia. Repeat the process until it's done. We're done rolling, it's time to fry. Last step, deep fry the lumpia. Sige! Wait until it's turned brown. This is the finished product.